Okay, here we've got a question. They've drawn us a lovely graph, aren't they kind? And we've got a region R, and it tells us the y values it goes between. It tells you the equation of the graph, and we're rotating through 360 degrees, in other words all the way, you don't have to use that number, about the y-axis. We've got a volume of revolution, so quote your standard formula for v. So it's got an integral, it's got something in front or possibly in there, but don't forget that numbery thing there, and we've got a d, and we're going around the y-axis, so that tells you whether it's dx or dy. And once you've sorted that out, you know whether it's a y squared or an x squared. So here's the equation of the graph. If you've got a dx at the end, then you want y squared. But if you've got a dy at the end, then you want x squared, which just means making that one there the subject. So you set up a nice easy integral. You go between two particular limits that correspond to the letter you've got there, and you set up an easy core 1 integral to do. You've got this thing that goes there, square brackets, limits, answer to the integral, put your limits in, don't forget to multiply it by this thing. We want it exact, so you leave it in terms of this thing that you had in front of those.